Hello peeps, and time for DS gaming. Nintendo DS gaming. And warning, health and safety, whatever. Okay, we're going to play Parrot Pals. It's a little cute game that I got for I think my birthday or something. I forgot what I got it for. But I got it for something. Loading. Licensed by Nintendo. Starfish. Noise Factory. Parrot Pals. Let's start. Let me make a new one. Hello, welcome to the Bird Center. Your first time, right? Here we provide parrots to caring owners. We provide you with a cage and bird feed, so it's easy to start. First, start by choosing a parrot you like. Oh no, which one do you guys like? The cute little one over here, that one, that one, that one, that one, or that one. Let's go with the cute little blue one. Small size, easy to train, but curious. Okay, this parrot is going to be your partner from now on. Yay! But it seems like it's afraid of you for some reason. Talk to your parrot to make it feel more secure. Say something to your parrot by speaking into the microphone. Hello. Let's see. Hello. It's getting used to your voice now. Keep at it just a little longer. Oh. Touch. Touch. Ooh. Name your bird. Someone name it. For you guys, I will name it. They'll be surprised. Shh. Be quiet. Yeah, I'm gonna name a cute name. Gonna be cute. I'm gonna name it based off of you guys out there. All of you. I don't care what your name is. I named it Peep. No. How about just... No, careful. Careful. Peep. Okay? And okay. Would you like to hear all about how to care for your parrot? No, you guys don't want to hear that, do you? If you ever have a question, you can always come to the Bird Center. I'll even give you some useful hints. Once you become good friends, it will talk and do tricks for you. And then you can even join in the contest to treat your bird well. You're all set. Remember to look after your new friend. Okay, which one should we do? Care, play, watching, or bird center? Let's just go to care first. Care. Try touching in different places. Okay. Not interested. Okay. Let's try playing. You're not interested in that? Okay, let's do this. Hello? You don't know? Hello? Hello? Hello. Hello. You do not know, huh? I can't get out of it. I have to talk to you. Yeah, I thought so. What do you say no to me for? Peep? You say no to me? Why did you say no to me? Hello. Again. Did you say I like you? I like you too. What you questioning me about, huh? What you questioning me about? What you questioning me about, huh? This parrot speaks gibberish. A whole lot of gibberish. No, hello. 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 How you doing? What you doing there? Sitting there? Can I play with you? Oh. Okay, well, that was just a practice run. And I hope that you enjoyed. So, I'll see you guys later. And if you want more like this, then just comment or like. Thank you. And so long, peeps. Peace.